Welcome to examsavvy.com.
Hi, this is Ganesh, and in this video we are going to see how to approach GATE 2015. We will start here with simple introduction to GATE, and then I will explain the things that must be taken care during examinations. GATE was started in early 90s as an entrance exam for postgraduate admission in IITs and NITs. In 2010, the PSUs like ONGC, BHEL, SAIL, etc. has announced GATE score as eligibility criteria for their recruitment process. So pattern has been changed to fulfill their requirements too. As an engineer, we need some basic skill to enter into post-graduation and field jobs. Before 2010, role of GATE exam is to enroll students for post-graduation by checking three basic skills, that is understanding the basic concepts, application of knowledge, and analytical skill. Understanding is the skill, that is how deep we understand the concept which we are studying, how clear we are about the principle of operation behind each and every devices and laws we have studied. Examiner checks our recalling ability by asking basic questions but twisted questions from these topics. We could expect basic questions from theorem and basic laws. Derivation and formula related to these theorem, which we have to be very clear, will be expected in the examination to check our ability of understanding. By choosing good books for preparation help us to understand the concept deeply, and discussing these concepts with friends or lecturers will help to improve the understanding of concepts. Skill 2 that we should have is application of knowledge. It's a basic skill that we have to develop to implement what we have studied and understand. This skill is tested in exams by including application of various devices which we have studied from various subjects in a single question. Generally, linked answer type and common data type questions are focused to test our application skills. Solving more conventional problems from IES and GATE will help us to improve our application skill. Next skill we have to develop is analytical skill. Analytical skill is how we use pieces of information given in a question paper and our mathematical ability for solving problems. Various mathematical tools like DTFT, Z transform, differential equation, complex variable are to be used for solving these problems. Basically, design oriented problems will be focused by examiner to test our analytical skill. Solving exercise problem from good books will help us to improve our analytical skill. After tie-up with PSUs, they have included two new skills to their list, that is general aptitude and basic English. After tie-up with PSU, to solve requirement of PSU Human Resource Department, GATE examiners included general aptitude to their expected skill set, which will check GATE aspirants' presence of mind and problem solving skills. Key to improve general aptitude is allocating some 1 hour daily for solving puzzles and quantitative aptitude. To start with, we could go for Shakuntala Devi puzzles, and which will improve our problem solving skill and time management. Fifth basic skill is basic English. Questions from basic English is designed to check our vocabulary, reasoning and basic grammar. We could develop this skill easily by reading newspaper daily, by keeping a dictionary next to us for verifying new words, and of course watching good English movies will help us to improve our basic English skills. So the conclusion is GATE is not a tough exam, it's a standard exam. Enhancing above mentioned skill will help us to tackle GATE exam very easily. Reviewing our goals twice a day will help us to stay focused during our preparation. And that's all about GATE. All the best.